This model kit review is of the Avro Triplane from 1911, and this is a very old model kit. It is made by PYRO, which used to be in New Jersey. It's a 1/48 scale model, and here are some of the details about the plane. And let's have a look inside. We have some details for the engine, as the engine set outside, and we have a lot of braces. Here we have our wheels with some nice little details molded in. We have some ejector pin holes that'll need to get filled. And here's the top of the fuselage and parts of the wings. And we have more wheels. Got a lot of flashing, as you can see here. More parts of the wings here, and our landing skis. Here's our fuselage, which was a triangular shape. And another part of the wing. We have part of the pilots here. And more wings. And here's our tail stabilizer. And no idea, it looks like just some junk. And here's a propeller, which has got some mold lines on it. And we have a little sticker. And we have, this is for our plane to sit on if you want to have it fly. And here's the propeller hub. Let's have a look at our instructions. It's more like an exploded view of the instructions. Looks like you have to build the engine, then put the fuselage together with all those pieces. The wings go together, tail and stabilizer, then the outboard of the wings, and then landing gear. Here are the instructions in words. And then here are the remaining portion of the instructions. And here's how to do the rigging. So all in all, not a very detailed model, not very well molded, but this is a really old model kit, and still in reasonable condition from all these years ago.